Hi everyone, my name is Katie and I'm going to be your underwater host today. Reefs Go Live is CCMI's flagship education program that live streams directly to your classrooms so you can enjoy and learn about our reefs from anywhere in the world. During this broadcast, you will be my dive buddies exploring one of the most beautiful reefs in the Caribbean region.
Hi, I'm Fiona. I am the Education Specialist here at CCMI. I just think that Reefs Go Live is such an important program to be sharing with kids here in Cayman as well as kids all over the world.
My name is Sabrina Weber and I will be your topside host today.
And it's always so heartwarming when we get our followers and our friends telling us how far that Reefs Go Live has actually spread.
We do have a question coming in from Kate who wants to know how old the reef is.
Oh, excellent question, Kate. This particular reef is probably around 10,000 years old, and these are a very recent geological reef system. But evidence has shown from research that some form of a coral reef has existed on Earth since before the dinosaurs. So, historically speaking, the reefs are some of the oldest living structures on our entire planet.